Alrighty, Derek, here's one of your 489 big block Chevrolets, Airboat engines. Description is combination, it's got a set of our ass cast heads on it. It has got Edelbrock dual plane, quick fuel carburetor, custom gun hydraulic roller, Canton oil pan. Go in there and make a run, see what she does, stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 607 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 609, really flat right there. A lot of times when you kind of really get after it hard on the throttle, it'll jump that number there and then let the motor go real fast. I was real slow on it, let it stay there for a while, so that just shows you how good a throttle is down low there with this combination. It's pretty impressive, so pretty nice for an airboat deal. Peaks horsepower of 582. We rated at 550, so but that's just kind of all the new stuff on it. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card's USB card. It is full of technical information. In the crate will be this packet. They'll have an engine spec sheet. Have a lot of information on that. Highly recommend looking at it. Have a great day.